Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Keppi adjustable 25-pound dumbbell set is just ingenious. These dumbbells adjust from 5 pounds to 25 pounds just with the turn of the handle. I love that they come in a pair, and it's so nice to only have to store 2 dumbbells instead of 5 pairs of dumbbells. They sit neatly in this strong plastic cradle, and when they're cradled securely, you can then turn the handle to quickly adjust and choose which weight you want to use. And the handles are nice strong metal with excellent grip, so I feel like I can hold them securely. I love the convenience of this Keppi adjustable weight set. It is such great quality, it's space saving, and I love being able to work out with them. And that's my point of view.